Okay guys, this is a follow-up video to my Smart Shunt that seems to be going to sleep. So I've taken my start battery out, normally lives right in here. And there's my Smart Shunt for my Venus OS. And so when I monitor the boat remotely, I don't see a state of charge. I don't see the start battery voltage or anything. It just sometimes goes to sleep. So if I reboot the Pi, it'll come back for a period of time, but the next day when I check the boat on the VRM, it goes to sleep, and I'm not really sure what's happening with it. I've tried all different things. I've tried different cables. I've tried pretty much everything, but I think this Smart Shunt is just a sleeper. Now, what I realized is this first shunt that I had in the boat is a 500 amp. And the replacement one that I bought is a 300 amp. Now, I'm never going to pull more than 100 amps, maybe even 50. So I was hoping that the physical size of these is going to be the same. It looks like it's going to bolt right up to my existing system. I don't think there's going to be a problem at all. The heights of these things look the same. Just the shunt isn't as beefy as the 500, but I don't really need it. So maybe keep that in mind if you go to buy the big one. I've seen massive ones. I've seen 1,000 amp and 2,000 amp that Victron makes. Of course, most people are never going to need that. 300 amps DC, that's a lot of power. Any vehicle, 300 amps is going to be more than enough. Okay, as I figured, the new one bolts up just perfectly, just like the old one. And the other thing that I notice is, all right, the other thing I notice, and you might notice, is there's another shunt behind that one. And that is the old shunt that used to be on this boat, and it's connected to the BMV. Now there's no power right now, but the BMV is the old system that Victron was using. And I didn't want to lose that just in case my Raspberry Pi died or one of my other shunts died like this one did. So if I'm out at sea or I'm not within access of Amazon, then it's nice to have a backup, and so you know what your batteries are doing. All right, so the new shunt's working. You can see the Bluetooth battery light flashing there. Everything bolted up just as I thought it would. It's the same physical size, just the shunt's a little narrower. But everything looks good. I did the initialization on the VE Direct app. Now I've got my state of charge right here showing me. So I did a calibration. I'm sitting at 13.67 volts on my house battery, which I would deem as like 99%. So I calibrated it. And everything else looks to be really good. So issue solved. Hey guys, that's it for me. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. 95% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button. It helps me a lot. And give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next weekend for a little more sailboat DIY fun.